Could be a million things. It could be freaking. We could be 80 degrees. Who knows? Let's just take it a day at a time. And it will be chilly over the next couple of days. No freezing temperatures expected tomorrow morning, overnight tonight, tomorrow morning. But different story Wednesday heading into Thursday. We still have that high, thin cloudiness around us at the moment. 53 degrees, our current reading. Dew point is at 74. Dew points are low at 45, but with a humidity value of 74, it feels a little bit more damp. And that's typical of our chilly weather. It is more of a cold chill or a wet chill than anything. We got that cloud cover that is still with us, and that will stay with us overnight tonight. But it does look like by mid-morning tomorrow, we should start to see those temperatures, or excuse me, the cloud cover decreasing as we'll see a weak front moving on through. Not sure why my temperatures aren't populating here, but we're already in the 40s and 50s with dew points in the 40s, and those will continue to drop as our drier and cooler airs kind of reinforce early tomorrow morning. Winds light, but we will start to see those winds picking up, and a small craft advisory will be in effect for the offshore and lake waters going into tomorrow. A light freeze, frost is possible on the North Shore and Mississippi come Thursday morning. We will briefly warm back into the 70s to near 80 degrees Friday and then Saturday, and with a front on the way for late Saturday night, a chance for some showers and storms and a big drop in temperature by Sunday and into next week. So first we have to get rid of this cloud cover. That'll come in the form of an upper trough and a weak front pushing on through. That'll help to reinforce our colder air, keep temperatures. We were only in the low 60s today, upper 50s during the afternoon tomorrow, and that light freeze frost on the North Shore of Mississippi come Thursday morning. That'll also help to bring in mostly sunny skies during the day. So a prettier day, just a little chillier. If you don't like the chill, at least it'll be under sunny skies. And then cloud cover starts working in throughout the day on Thursday. So our sunshine kind of short-lived. And also as we head later Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday, notice Friday, what are our surface winds doing? Coming off of the Gulf waters, and that will allow for a warming trend and starting to turn more humid. And that will be the fuel for our showers and storms in advance of our cold front. With the front out ahead of it, maybe a few stray showers. Timing looks to be more late in the evening and night. So most of the day Saturday is relatively dry. By the later evening hours is when the front starts to move on through. Now, this is not a perfect forecast. This is not our high resolution model. That comes into play more by tomorrow and certainly into Thursday. As we get closer to this weekend, we'll have a better idea of the timing and also the structure of this line of storms. It's very possible it could really start falling apart before reaching our region, and then we don't get much rainfall at all, and wasn't really a big deal for our rain chances because we don't want it to ruin any plans on Saturday night. And as far as severe weather goes, as that system starts to take shape, there's going to be a slightly better chance for some severe weather just off to our west. Not to say we won't see anything here. It's highly likely that we'll see a level 1 threat for severe weather Saturday into early Sunday. But as of right now, it looks like the severe threat is very, very limited. We're also going to be watching a big cool down behind the second front, not the one that's on the way for tomorrow. So I like to kind of track where the Arctic air is going. That's when you know the air mass is particularly cold. Right now, that Arctic air is centered over Hudson's Bay and parts of the Northeast. We're going to be watching this surge of colder air that starts moving south. Now, we are not getting into the Arctic air, but it is going to be moving into the northern tier states. So the front that moves through come Saturday night, Sunday, will have a little bit more of a kick to it. And so temperatures are going to be coming way down by Sunday. Near 80 degrees Saturday, the chance of rain later in the evening and night, and the timing is still in question as that system is not even developed yet, which makes it difficult to figure out a timeline for when that rain moves on through. And then as we head into Sunday, high temperatures staying in the 50s and could be more lower 50s at